Welcome to day 2 of 100 days of code. Today we'll be learning about variables and inputs, and we'll be combining these two with the print statement so that at the end we'll be able to write a simple code. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please make sure to like our video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. Now let's start with the variable. A variable is more or less like a container that contains a text or information. And with the input is what shows the information or the text that is inside the variable. We all know what print is. Print is what prints the outcome or runs the code. So with these three information, let's see how we can write a simple code by asking somebody his or her name, or welcome somebody by asking his or her name and the age. So first of all, write name, then you bring your equal sign, then you bring input, write the input, then you bring your parentheses, or you can call them bracket. Then you say what is your name, question mark, then close parenthesis. We come down, age, bring our equal sign, then the input, and then our parenthesis followed by the quotation. Then we say what is your age, and question mark, then close the bracket. Close the bracket. Then we come down. So I want to welcome the person by asking him or her the name and the age. So we say print, and you bring your parentheses, then the quotation. You say print, say hello, then we separate this by comma, then you bring the name, and then comma, then we say you are sorry, we have to bring another quotations here after this comma. Can bring the quotation, then write you are, then bring the comma, then age, then another quotations, then we say years old. Sorry, full stop, then close the parentheses. So let's run this code and see the outcome. So here, say what is your name? So you write your name. Let's say my name is John. Then you press enter. You see what is your age? I'm 23 years old. Then press enter. So hello John, you are 23 years old. So this is what we're learning for today. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. So in our next video, we'll be learning about concatenating and how you can make a big project out of that. So please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching to the end. Love you.